Are you new to trading and wondering how to add funds to Zerodha and other trading platforms? In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the process. Step 1. Log into your trading account. Enter your username and password to access the platform. Step 2. Navigate to the Funds or Account section. This may vary depending on the platform you're using. Step 3. Select the Add Funds or Deposit option. You'll be presented with various funding methods such as net banking, UPI, debit/credit cards, or e-wallets. Step 4. Choose your preferred payment method. Let's say you decide to use net banking. Step 5. Enter the amount you want to add. Be sure to double-check the amount to avoid any errors. Step 6. Click on the Proceed or Next button to initiate the payment process. You'll be redirected to your bank's secure payment gateway. Step 7. Follow the instructions on the payment gateway to complete the transaction. This might involve entering your bank credentials or providing an OTP. Step 8. Once the payment is successful, you'll receive a confirmation message on the trading platform. That's it. You've successfully added funds to your Zerodha or other trading platform account. Now you're ready to start trading. Remember, the specific steps may vary slightly between platforms, so always refer to the platform's FAQ or support section for more detailed instructions. Thanks for watching our video. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more trading tips and tutorials. Happy trading!